Based on sides, triangles are three types: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. What is mean by equilateral triangle? When you measure three sides of a triangle gives the same length, then we can call equilateral triangle. Means all three sides are equal in length. That is called equilateral triangle. Now isosceles triangle. If any two sides of triangle are same in length, then we can say that this triangle is isosceles triangle. Now scalene triangle. If all the sides are unequal in length, that is called a scalene triangle. So these triangles have some very important properties for equilateral triangle. For equilateral triangle, suppose this is equilateral triangle. What is the properties of equilateral triangle? Very important. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, all angles also equal. That is equilateral triangle. All sides are equal and all angles are equal in equilateral triangle. Then second one is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. That is one property. Another property is these equal sides opposite angles also equal. If this is 50 degrees, automatically this one also 50 degrees. Then a scalene triangle. In a scalene triangle, all the three sides are different in length. Then automatically we can say that one is the smallest side, any one of the side is the biggest side, because these three lengths are different now. For example, this is 3 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter. For example, this is 4, 3, this is 4, this is 5. Then here property is which side is the biggest in a triangle. This side opposite angle also biggest. So biggest side opposite angle also biggest. Then about triangles, there are more properties are there to construct a triangle. These conditions also very important. When you add any two sides, first side plus second side, when you add any two sides, always more than third side. Addition. When you add any two sides, always more than third side. This is one property. When you subtract two sides, always less than third side. This is another property. When we add first side plus second side, this automatically more than third side. If we subtract any two sides, always less than third side. This is the property of triangles. Now based on angles, how many types of triangles are there? Based on angles. Based on angles also there are three types of triangles. First one is acute angle triangle. Means if you measure or when you measure angles in a triangle, all these three angles are less than 90 degrees. Means these three angles are less than 90 degrees. At that time we can call this triangle is acute angle triangle. Now next one is right angle triangle. If any triangle measures one of the angle is 90 degrees, then we can say that this is a right angled triangle. Now obtuse angle triangle. In any triangle, one of the angle is more than 90 degrees. More than 90 degrees. Then this triangle is called obtuse angle triangle. So for your best understanding sake, I have written here. Please observe. After this, median. What is mean by median? See, this is a triangle. A, B, C are vertex. We can call corner, vertex apex gives the same meaning. This is point A, point B, point C. Point A vertex to opposite side midpoint. For example, from B to C 8 centimeter. You locate here 4 centimeter exact midpoint. This intersection line is called median of the triangle. Altitude, the perpendicular line segment from a vertex. If you draw a perpendicular 90 degrees line from vertex to opposite side, this is a perpendicular line segment. This height is called altitude. This is just basics of needed to study the trigonometry. Now our main topic is trigonometry. Just simple explanation I will give you. Listen carefully. Trigonometry is a word built by trigonometry. This is a Greek word. Tri means three, once, twice, thrice, like tri means three. Gonia means angle, metron means measure. So trigonometry means three angles measure. You observe here, this whole chapter trigonometry depend on only right angle triangle. In this triangle, right angle at B, theta. This symbol is called theta. In my view, theta means a variable, angle variable, 0 to 360 degrees and above. Theta. Let assume that theta means maybe 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 30 degrees, 60 degrees. Like theta means a variable. Here, AB means base side, or we can say that we are measuring here, we are going to find the value of this angle. So we can say that AB is adjacent side to this theta. Now AC, this side is called specially hypotenuse. In a right angle triangle, always hypotenuse is the biggest side. In a scalene triangle, one of the property we will learn, the biggest side opposite angle also biggest angle. So this side opposite angle is 90 degrees. So always remaining these two angles are acute angles. This is 90 degrees. The biggest side in a right angle triangle is hypotenuse. Now what is the